if you look at this table, and I've also mentioned it before in class, and it's in your chapter 2 slides, that it just starts with the name of the element. So here you start with nitrogen, and then the O are called oxides. So nitrogen oxide. But what happens here is that these are two nonmetals, so they make a covalent bond. So then we have another convention, is we have to put a pre-name, I forget what to call it. So nitrogen dioxide is what this compound is. So you notice you don't have to do that for this one, tin 2-phosphate. And like I said, I'll get rid of this. You look at this table and remember that it's basically these up here that are the nonmetals, and the metals make up most of the compound, or the periodic table of elements. So N and O are both nonmetals, so they make covalent bonds, and that's why you have to use this convention. Tin and phosphate, tin is way SN is here. Still within the metals, getting close, but still within the metals. Then we have the last one, CSF. So here it starts with the same thing. You always just start with the name of the element. So you could have CS, and you notice that it's right here. So cesium. So we're saying it's cesium, and the name of the anion, which is fluoride, or it's the atom, or the element is fluorine. But remember, you just add an "ide" to the end of any of those atoms, so it's cesium fluoride. So that's it to that question. Next one is 14b. If there are 2.5 moles of SN3PO4, how many moles of SNPNO are there? So this one is, I've been trying to go over this over and over. We've done this several times, and even in your last assignment you have something similar, except with molar concentrations. But here we're saying for SN3PO4 2, we're saying there's 3 moles of SN3 per molecule, and we're saying there's 2 moles of PO4 per molecule. But we're also saying that means there's 2 moles of P per molecule, and here we have 2 times 4 is 8 moles of oxygen per molecule, right? And that's just per molecule, or per, well, when you look at it. Now we're saying we have 2.5 moles of molecule, so it's just 2.5 times 3 for the SN. So we have, like I said, I'm not good with math in my head. I should always double check anyways. Is 7.5 moles of SN. Same thing here, 2.5 times 2 for P is equal to 5 moles of phosphorus. 2.5 times 8 of oxygen is equal to